Hello, friends. Welcome. Today, we're going to learn our ABC together. Are you ready? Great job. Let's start with A, B, C, D, and E. Each letter has a special word to help us learn. We'll look, we'll listen, and we'll say the words together. Let's learn and have fun. Here we go. A. A is for ant. 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 Look, friends. A tiny little ant is walking on the ground. Ant. Ants are super hard workers and they carry food together. They live in a big ant family called a colony. Can you wiggle your fingers like little ants? Wiggle. Wiggle. Let's say it together. Ant. A is for apple. 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 A shiny red apple. Apple. Apples grow on trees and come in red, green, and yellow. They keep our bodies healthy and strong. Let's pretend to take a crunchy bite. Crunch. Can you say apple? Apple. A is for airplane. 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 Wow, an airplane flying way up high in the sky. Airplane. Airplanes take people to faraway places. They have big wings that help them glide through the air. Let's stretch our arms out wide like airplane wings. Whoosh! Say it with me, airplane. A is for alligator. 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 Here comes a big green alligator. Alligators live in swamps and rivers. Alligator. They have long, strong jaws, but this one is a friendly one. Let's pretend our hands are alligator jaws. Open, close. Great. Now say it with me, alligator. B. B. B is for bear. 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 Look, friends, a big fluffy bear. Bear. Bears love eating berries, fish, and honey. They sleep for a long time in winter. That's called hibernating. Squeeze. Squeeze. Let's say it together, bear. B is for banana. Banana. Banana! Here's a yummy yellow banana. Banana. Bananas are soft, sweet, and easy to peel. They give us energy to play, jump, and run. Let's pretend to peel a banana. Peel. Peel. Say it with me, banana. B is for bus. 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 Wow, a big yellow school bus. The bus takes children safely to school every day. Bus. It has big wheels that go round and round. Let's roll our arms like big bus wheels round and round. Let's say it together, bus. Bus. B is for bird. 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 Look, a little bird flying in the sky. Birds have feathers and wings to help them soar. Bird. Some birds sing beautiful songs in the morning. Let's flap our arms like little wings flap. Flap. Say it with me, bird. C. C. C is for cat. 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 Look, friends, a soft, cuddly cat. Cat. Cats love to nap and warm. They say meow when they want to say hello. Let's pretend to stroke a fluffy cat gentle. Gentle. Say it with me, cat. C is for carrot. 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 Here's an orange carrot. Carrots grow underground in the soil. Carrot. They help keep our eyes healthy and strong. Let's pretend to crunch a carrot crunch. Crunch. Now you say it, carrot. C is for car. 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 Wow, a shiny red car. Cars help people go places quickly. Car. They have wheels that spin really fast. Let's turn our hands like spinning wheels, vroom. Vroom. Let's say it together, car. C is for cloud. 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 Look, a fluffy white cloud. Cloud. Clouds float high up in the sky. Sometimes they bring rain or snow. Let's stretch our arms and make a cloud shape big and fluffy. Can you say cloud? D. D. D is for dog. 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 Here comes a friendly dog. Dogs love to play fetch and wag their tails. Dog. They say woof woof to greet you. Let's pretend to wag our tails wiggle. Wiggle. Say it with me, dog. D is for donut. 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 Yum, a sweet pink donut. Donut. Donuts have a hole in the middle like a ring. They come in all kinds of fun colors and sprinkles. Let's draw a big donut shape in the air, round and round. Let's say it, donut. D is for duck. 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 Look, a cute duck by the pond. Ducks can swim, walk, and fly. Duck. They say quack, quack, loudly and happily. Let's flap our hands like duck wings flap. Flap. Say it with me, duck. D is for door. 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 This is a big door. We use doors to go in and out of rooms. Door. Some doors open with a creak or a click. Let's pretend to open a door creak. Can you say door? E. E. E is for elephant. 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 Wow, a big elephant. Elephants have long trunks to drink water and pick things up. Elephant. They live in families and care for each other. Let's swing our arms like an elephant trunk swish. Swish. Say it with me, elephant. E is for egg. Egg, egg. Here's a little white egg. Eggs can crack open and become baby animals. They are full of healthy protein for strong bodies. Let's tap our fingers like cracking an egg tip. Tap! Let's say it, egg. E is for earth. Earth, earth. This is our beautiful earth. Earth is the planet we live on. Earth. It has land, oceans, mountains, and forests. Let's make a round earth shape with our arms big circle. Say it together, earth. Earth. E is for envelope. 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 Look! A little envelope for sending letters. We can write notes and mail them to friends. Envelope. Some envelopes have stickers or stamps. Let's pretend to open an envelope rip. Say it, envelope. Wow, great job, friends. You did such a good job saying the letters and words with me. Can you say them again? A, B, C, D, E. If you want to keep learning, let's watch more letter and word videos together. Bye-bye. See you next time.